In today's video, we're going to be installing the Horizon windshield trim from Ciro 3D. It replaces your stock windshield trim and it's lighted LED run and turn. It's gonna be awesome. You guys have seen these before. Welcome back to Touring Midwest. This is the Road Glide Refresh project where we're turning my 2016 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra into something fresh and new for the 2022 season. The Road Glide Refresh season 1 is almost over. The riding season is here. Upgrade season is over. Don't get me wrong, if we can do upgrades, we're gonna do them anyways, but the big projects are over for now. We're just adding the final touches. Let's get this package opened up, find out what's in the box, and get these installed. All right, this is gonna be a very simple project, very easy install. We need to first remove our old windshield trim. Mine with the Clockworks windshield, I like to get them about halfway out, and then I can just slide my windscreen off, and then I can finish removing the screws. We won't be reusing these screws, so you can set them aside, but keep them with the original hardware. Once you've reached this point, you can just reach underneath your ductwork here, give it a little snap, she pops right off, held in with 2 clips. All right, so from here, we need to take a Phillips screwdriver, and there's a screw right here on the end, a tiny screw. Don't lose that baby. You'll never ever find it, I promise you. So basically you just plug these right into the signal light wire harness, easy peasy, male and female ends, that's it. It's always nice to test these things out right away before you get too far into your install process. Signal lights work. Yeah, we're good to go. So we can continue on. So basically you'll have to kind of like let these hang out a bit because we need to get our ductwork back on first of all. We don't want to pinch the wires. All right, we get these in place a little bit. Now I can work my Clockworks windshield back down in here. I just like to finish this look off with this extra trim piece from Ciro. You know, I'm not even positive if they make this anymore or not, but if you can find one, it really just dresses this area up quite nicely. You should put it on before you put your windscreen in, but I forgot. Can he make it happen without taking everything apart again? Yes, he can. Yes, he can. All right, once you're happy with that, we're ready to tighten things down a bit here. Don't go King Kong on this stuff, but we want to snug it down. Make sure your windscreen is flush and even everywhere. We can slide this excess wiring right in to the seam here. Now keep an eye on this because this screw hole is very close to this wiring. So when we go to put the screw back in, there is a potential that you could rub this wire and wreck it. So you just got to be careful of that. There is a lip right here that needs to clip underneath the light. And these are those little screws. So just watch out for that wire. And there you go. That's all there is to it. I like that they're sequential. Get the hazards going there. So the nice thing about these are it's a really clean look because you've just got the one screw on the end. The 2 main screws are hidden. So it's a little more putzing around because you've got the cover and things like that, but it is a nice, really clean look. That is it. The Horizon windshield trim from Ciro 3D installed on the 2016 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra. We're ready to ride. We're ready to roll. Thanks for tuning into this one, guys. Stay safe out there as always. Die with memories, not regrets. And I will catch you in the next video.